Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable secure boot for TPM 2.0 for your PC so you are able to play Battlefield 6 and you don't get the message. So the first thing you have to do is to check your secure boot status. You go to search and type in run. Once in here, type in msinfo 32. Press OK and it will open a window with system information. And in here, you have to look for BIOS mode. It has to be set to UEFI and secure boot, which we'll find in a second. System secure boot. If it says off, it means it's off. If it's on, then it's on. Also, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 for your system. The next thing you want to check is in which state is your drive, so which version it's running. So right click on the Windows icon, go disk management, it will open a window. In here, usually the Windows one is the C, so you head over to this, not here, like here. On the disk 0, right click on it and then go properties, and in here go volumes, and if it says here partition style GPT, then you're fine. You can skip to restart and then setting up the BIOS. If your partition style isn't GPT, then you have to follow the next step in order to turn it on. You have to convert it. In order to convert it, you have to go to search, type in command prompt, right click it and run it as an administrator. And in here, type in mbr 2 GPT space / validate and type space disk. In this case 0, because the Windows disk is 0. So you type in 0 and then space again, allow / allow full OS. And you have to put it like this, the OS big and the full big. And then type in enter. And if this doesn't work, you can also do, instead of convert and instead of validate, you can type in convert and then type in mbr to GPT space convert space disk 0 and then space allow full OS and then type in. It's failing because I already have it in the correct version. I have it in GPT, so mine is working, but if yours is in the other one, it should work and convert it successfully. Once you've done all of that, you just want to confirm it. Go back to here, disk management properties, go to volumes, and if it's in GUID partition table GPT, then it's all set. Now all you have to do is restart your PC and set up the BIOS, which I'll show you now. So you restart your PC and then spam either delete key or F2 to enter the BIOS. The PC is restarting. Give it a second, it will boot up. And then spam delete key or F2 if you don't have the delete key on your keyboard. And here we are, we're back into the BIOS. Now in the BIOS, you have to go to the advanced tab and then head to Windows OS configuration. Once in here, it says BIOS UEFI CSM mode. If it's in CSM, set it to UEFI and then head to secure boot. Once in secure boot, make sure it's enabled. If it says disabled, put it in enabled. If you're unable to put it If you're unable to enable it, you can change the secure boot mode from standard to custom, so it works. Mine is tweaking for some reason, I don't know why. To enable, if it's in standard and you cannot enable secure boot, move it to custom and then enable it. And then for the trusted computing or TPM 2.0, you go to security and then security device, you have to enable that, and it will enable the TPM 2.0 on your system. Once you've done all of that, go save changes and reboot, and it should work. Boot up back into the Windows and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, you could contact your motherboard vendor or look online to see if there's like a BIOS update, or does your motherboard support the secure boot and stuff. Also, you can buy online. If your PC doesn't have the secure, like the TPM module, you can buy it online, either on Amazon or AliExpress. I'll link both down below. And then you just plug it into your motherboard and it should work. And then you have TPM 2.0 and secure boot. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.